Are you in a long-distance relationship and want to join the AI action figure photo trend? Here's how. 1. Open Gemini. If you don't have it, you can install it first. 2. Prepare the photo to be used. 3. Here I have prepared a photo of me and my partner. If you haven't, you can attach your photo first. If you don't know how, you can watch the following video, or you can use the collage application on your cell phone. Four. Reopen Gemini AI. 5. Follow the steps as shown in the video. To prompt, describe your image, you can click the link that I put in the comment pin below. Six. Copy the prompt and paste it in Gemini AI. Seven. Once you're done, save it as in the video and don't forget to like and subscribe.